Hey everyone! Mag-nighttime cleaning tayo in this video. Welcome po sa channel ko. Hello, I'm Trisha. I make cleaning, organizing, and minimalist lifestyle videos. Gumagawa din po ako ng videos tungkol sa buhay ko dito sa New Zealand. Kung interesado po kayo sa mga videos na yan, please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the red button down below. You can also follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook pages. Their links are in the description box below. Bago ko simulan ang paglinis ng kitchen, nagsindi muna ako ng Christmas scented candle na binili ko recently sa Bed Bath & Beyond, and magdi-diffuse din ako ng oils para maset ko yung mood tonight. Gusto ko dito sa video na to is makapag-relax lang kayo habang nanonood, and sana mamotivate na din kayo na makapaglinis ng bahay. Alam nyo guys, cleaning talaga is my way of calming myself after a stressful day ever since talaga. Pag nasistress ako, umaga man o gabi, ang go-to stress reliever ko is maglinis ng bahay. Kaya tonight, bago ako matulog, maglilinis ako ng kitchen kasi sobrang na-stress ako sa work today. Syempre, since Christmas season na, nag-play na din ako ng sarili kong playlist ng mga favorite Christmas songs ko, pampagana na din sa paglinis ko ngayong gabi. So, pakita ko muna ang sitwasyon ng kitchen namin tonight ha. Kakatapos lang namin kumain, so medyo nahalungkat yung kitchen namin. Although, kahit ako, aaminin ko na hindi naman talaga malala or masyadong madumi tonight. Maghuhugas lang ako ng mga dishes and magre-refill lang ako ng mga naka-display naming bottles sa taas ng microwave and magpupunas ng stovetop and countertop namin. Although hindi mukhang madumi ang kitchen, ang totoo po niyan is may mga maliit na bagay na kailangan kong gawin tonight, like thoroughly wiping our countertops and other items sa kitchen kasi yun yung mga tasks na hindi namin nagagawa everyday dahil busy na and pagod galing work. I'm going to start by putting rubbish bag in our bin. So, tinapon na kanina ni Dennis yung basura namin, and usually naman talaga si Dennis ang gumagawa nito kaya hindi talaga ako masyadong sanay dito sa rubbish bin na to. Sabi ko sa kanya, ako na lang gagawa tonight. Saka plan ko na din na punasan kasi ng maayos yung takip ng rubbish bin namin kasi hindi naman siya masyadong natututukan ni Dennis pag siya gumagawa nito. Then, I'm rinsing our dirty dishes before I soap them. Iba yung mood nitong gabi na to para sa akin, loves, kasi super stressed talaga ako sa work today. Kaya yung goal ko sa paglinis ko tonight is para ma-relax lang talaga ako. Dati, pag naglilinis ako ng bahay, parang hindi ako mapakali kasi ang dami kong gustong sunod na gawin na ayoko makalimutan. Kaya busy yung isip ko palagi habang naglilinis. But tonight, talagang sinet ko yung mood na relaxing. Kaya nag-diffuse talaga ako and nag-light ng scented candle and nagputa ng music kasi gusto ko free yung mind ko habang naglilinis ako. Kaya sana ma-relax din kayo ng video na to.
If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning? Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah. Till the morning light.
I make it a habit after washing dishes to brush itong dishwashing soap dispenser kasi since palagi siyang nababasa, may tendency na mag-build up yung mga lumot-lumot sa mga singit niya. Somehow I'll give you my attention. And then, ito naman yung pinaka nasa-satisfy talaga akong gawin dito sa paglinis ng kitchen. And that is yung pagbrush ng kitchen sink namin. I try to do it every night pag sinisipag ako mag-spend ng time cleaning dito sa kitchen. Pero most of the time kasi si Dennis talaga ang naghuhugas ng plato namin sa gabi. Minsan naman, sinasamahan ko siya dito sa kitchen para habang naghuhugas siya, nagpupunas naman ako dito sa kitchen. Second, 'cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm a rolling stone tonight, never to be set. Pupunasan and itatago ko na tong mga nahugasan ko para makapagpunas na ako ng countertop after. Ito naman, cream na to, bihira ko lang siyang gamitin sa stovetop namin. Siguro mga once a week lang. Pag yung thorough lang yung paglinis ko talaga ng stovetop. Lalo na pag weekdays, ang ginagamit ko is yung disinfectant spray lang dito sa stovetop namin kasi hindi ko na siya kailangang i-rinse, so nasisave yung oras ko. I'm done with searching for the truth somewhere else when I just want you. There was a void in my soul. Now I found my true home. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, 'cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. After rinsing yung Jif cream, kumuha naman ako ng bagong dry cloth para punasan tong stovetop. And syempre, I'll use disinfectant for the rest of the stovetop, pati na rin yung backsplash. Ito namang mga bottles na to, malaking tulong to sa pagluluto talaga namin. Ang nakakapagod lang is kapag magre-refill na. Pero happy ako sa mga bottles na to and pupunasan ko na din tong tray na to. clean our microwave at least once a week. Tonight, yung outer surface lang muna ang pupunasan ko. I also took this time to wipe the rest of our appliances on top of our kitchen counter gaya nitong air fryer na to na minsan nakatago pero ngayon halos palagi namin siyang ginagamit kaya nasa labas siya ng countertop. Ito yung isa sa mga tasks na hindi ko nagagawa everyday kaya I want to do them tonight.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight,
Pupunasan ko na din yung wall backsplash kasi hindi ko din siya nagagawa every night.
or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober, just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me?
Syempre, ang last kong lilinisan is yung kitchen floor. After ko mag-vacuum, magmamop naman ako.
We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light, till the morning light.
I reused this spray bottle by filling it with floor cleaner solution and quarter-part water. Yan yung ginagamit ko pang mop ng floor namin. Mahilig talaga ako mag-reuse ng spray bottles kasi yun na yung way ko para mabawasan yung waste namin dito sa bahay.
Now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober, just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow?
Finally, we're done! And to celebrate, I'm gonna drink chamomile tea before going to bed. Recently, I started doing this. Pampakalma daw, sabi ng therapist ko. I've been suffering from anxiety attacks kasi almost every night this past few months and parang nakatulong naman talaga siya. Although, I learned from a friend na mas okay yung real tea leaves para mas pure and healthy talaga kaya I'm planning to buy them as well. Anyway, thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this helped you feel relaxed as much as it did for me. If you liked my tiny kitchen, I made a tiny minimalist kitchen tour. I'll put the link down below. And nakapag-decorate na din po ako ng bahay namin for Christmas. Meron din po akong video about dyan. I'll link it down below as well. Thank you so much guys again. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Let me know down below what you think about the video. And see you on my next video. Bye!